Two things for me to focus on this quarter. One is an apparent downturn in cash flow and confidence in our latest quarterly Poole survey. Second thing is more of a move to performance-related profit share. So focusing on the first thing to start with, Armstrong Watson undertake a quarterly Poole survey for all of our clients and contacts within the legal sector, asking them to be able to track confidence within the sector on a quarterly basis and also looking at things like cash flow. On both counts, Q1 2022 has shown a decrease of around about 10% in both measures of cash flow and confidence. That might have something to do with the fact that most firms have just paid their personal tax bills for most of their partners, and therefore the cash flow is going to be lower. But it's also, I think, reflecting the wider economy, the potential move to more of an inflationary period, wider macroeconomic factors as well, which firms are thinking may well have an impact on their business further down the line. I think it's also reflected in the fact that there are more difficulties in recruiting and retaining good people to keep up with demand, and wages and salary costs are going up as well. So all of that is starting to dent confidence within owners of law firms. Moving on to the second point, a move towards performance-related profit share. Now, historically, law firms have operated on equal profit share for partners or a lockstep basis, but more and more so over the last few years, firms have introduced at least an element of performance-related profit share in order to be able to incentivise performance, but also to be able to recruit and retain really good people and be competitive in the marketplace. We've seen a trend towards that, and we've been approached by quite a few firms in the last quarter in particular to help them to be able to get that right. Very difficult thing to get right, but when you do get it right, it can be quite powerful. They're the two updates for me: downturn in cash flow and confidence, but also a move towards performance-related profit share. Thank you.